YouTube, and thanks for tuning into this channel. Today we're going to take you on a walking tour in the city of Berlin. We are in the center of Berlin and we're going to go to some places like Checkpoint Charlie, the Museum of History, Potsdamer Platz, and the Brandenburg Gate if we have time, and we will also visit the Bundestag, which is the parliament. And hopefully you follow through the video and you enjoy it. Please give us a like if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. We are now going to go to Checkpoint Charlie, and we will explain what that location is in a minute. This is Unter den Linden boulevard. We are going to go straight to Checkpoint Charlie and then make a big circle and then come back here to the Brandenburg Gate, which is on this side. This is Unter den Linden boulevard, and at the end of this boulevard, I don't know if it's visible, you see the Brandenburg Gate, and this side was part of the East Berlin, basically. We are now just about to get to Checkpoint Charlie. We would be walking in East Berlin now, and once you cross this little the row of bricks in the pavement, you would be crossing into West Berlin. And this place has a lot of history. In the 1960s, there was a big confrontation. We had Russian tanks on this side and American tanks on that side, and there was almost the beginning of World War III. So we would be somewhere here in this map, and that was West Berlin. Everywhere you walk in Berlin, you would see these bricks and that metal plaque, which is a remembrance of the Berlin Wall. Berliner Mauer, the Berlin Wall, 1961 and 1989. It's a very touristy spot here, so you have to be careful about your pockets. So we just crossed into West Berlin. So that was the Allied checkpoint Charlie, and international visitors could cross between West Berlin, West Germany and East Germany through this point. Diplomats were able to do so as well. And as you see, the wall goes through here and it continues this way. This is a picture of a visit by JFK, and I think next to him is Willy Brandt, which was the Chancellor of Germany at the time. to this location. So that was. So on this side you were in East Germany and the East Bloc, and on this side you were in West Germany. But they were worlds apart. So this was the American sector of Berlin. You're entering it, and that was the American checkpoint. And down here it doesn't exist anymore. There used to be the Russian checkpoint down here. This is one of the main squares in the city of Berlin, called Potsdamer Platz. It's more modern. You got new towers and very chic and elegant designs. And there's a subway station here and a bahnhof, which is a train station. And there's a center. It's a very nice sort of shopping and eating center. It's called Sony Center. As you can see, the Canadian Embassy is here. This is a beautiful place called Sony Center. Unfortunately, there's construction now, so I'm guessing a lot of the restaurants and eateries are not open. But usually people sit in the middle and enjoy the nice atmosphere. Here there are also pieces of the original Berlin Wall with some pictures of what this place is and what it used to be. 1972, Potsdamer Leipzig Platz. That's what it was. See all the barriers. One layer, two layers, and then the wall. And then the wall goes like that. And that's 2008. This is Checkpoint Charlie, which we filmed earlier. And the rest of Berlin.
Some people are so ambitious. Right there.
This is the Canadian Embassy, also in Potsdamer Platz. We are now walking from Potsdamer Platz towards the Brandenburg Gate. It's a very, very beautiful place in Berlin. Thanks for watching this channel so far. Thanks for watching this. This is one view of the Brandenburg Gate, and to the right is the US Embassy. This is probably the most well-known symbol of Berlin and Germany, the Brandenburg Gate. Right now, the Euro Cup is ongoing, and this is a fan zone, so they have restrictions on traffic. This is the German Parliament, or the Bundestag, and on many days you could book in advance, and anybody can go up to that sort of dome at the top. It was designed to be at the top so that Parliament members always feel that people are above them. We are following this tour guide who's going to take us up to the dome at the top of the Parliament, the Bundestag. So good day again, YouTube. We are at the top of the German Parliament, or the Bundestag. Unfortunately, we could not go inside because the Parliament was not in session, but they allow people to come up here and see things from above here. There's a huge balcony here that gives you a 360 view of the city of Berlin. So please be with us. Thank you for following us. There you can see the Brandenburg Gate, and far in the distance you see a number of flags. These are embassies. The Canadian flag is visible at the distance there. That's the Embassy of Canada, and that building there is Potsdamer Platz, Sony Center, which we filmed earlier. And this big park is the Tiergarten, which is a huge park in the middle of Berlin. This is the river Spree, which runs in the middle of the center of Berlin. You can take a boat tour for about 20 euros or so. That will take you around, and there's a museum island. There's a little island down there that way, and it houses 5 big museums.
Den halt ein Rohr ab.
This is the central station of Berlin, Hauptbahnhof, Berlin. It's very modern and beautiful. We're going to go inside, so stick around to see the inside of it.